Welcome to Rishi Quant Research. Thursday, I gave you some Nifty levels to trade with for Friday. So, before we move forward, let's review the performance of those levels on Friday. Okay, let me share my screen. Yes, you can see that. See how those levels have performed. Market opened with open low candle. Okay, open low candle. The price at which the market opened was the lowest point for in that candle. Okay, as you can see, 23,740 was our level, and first red candle is exactly almost at around 23,740. What is the close of this candle? Close of this candle is 38.60 within 1.5 point. See, you can see this candle broke above 23,740, and this here what you see is a retest. These two are the retest, and then the market moved towards 23,780. And as I told you, you should use 23,780 and 23,740 as a zone, resistance or support zone. And then you can see the here it created a kind of resistance zone right around this candle. See, here it created a resistance zone. As this was the resistance zone, market lingered at and about that resistance zone. You can see that here, and then it took support from this resistance zone, and with this decisive candle, okay, and this here you can see the move about 23,780. This was a decisive move, and then the market went straight below 23,740 and rested at and near 23,740 at 23,748.85 within 8.85 point of our key level. Market rested within 8.85 point above our key level. Here you can see. So in conclusion, we can say that this zone and this zone, resistance zone, market stayed between this resistance zone and this support zone. Okay, that is what happened. Hmm? So I delete these levels, and let's get the levels for tomorrow. Oops. Yes. So I will just clear this terminal, get the levels for tomorrow, and see. First level is 23,780. First level 23,780. Okay. Second level 23,940, 24,170. 23,940, 24 170. And third level 24 360. 24 360. These are the levels above. Let's get the levels below. 23 640. 23 640. 23 600. 23 500. And then 22 940. So these are the levels for tomorrow. Okay, here this here you can, as I have said, you can use these closely spaced cluster of key levels as a zone, support zone. Okay, so that is it. And also from today I'll start with Nifty weekly output. Okay, I'll start the analysis of weekly analysis of Nifty. So I'll be putting a different video where I will be giving you key levels for next week, and the review of those key levels we will be doing at the end of next week. For this week I'll be giving you only Nifty levels, and next week onwards we will see how those work out, and if those work out very well, we will go and I will give you key levels for Nifty 50 first 10 stocks by market capitalization. Okay, so tune in for this channel and wait for my next video, which will I'll be uploading today shortly for Nifty weekly outlook for the next week. Okay, I'll be giving you key Nifty levels for the next week. For time frame for which I'll be using is 15 minute. Okay, so if you're trading on a weekly basis using 15-minute time frame, that can be used for your reference. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow, Monday. Let's see how these levels play out. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you.